I release the need to prove myself. I release the fear of not being enough. In this moment, I remember who I am. I am enough exactly as I am. I do not need permission to exist fully. I am worthy of love, peace, and happiness. My presence has value. My voice matters. My heart matters. I deserve to take up space in this world. I release comparison. I release self-doubt. I release old stories that told me I was unworthy. I choose to see myself through loving eyes. I am enough. I have always been enough. Nothing is missing within me. Nothing is broken within me. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of receiving beautiful things. I am enough right now as I am. I no longer chase validation. I validate myself. I honor my journey. I honor my growth. I honor the person I am becoming. My softness is powerful. My sensitivity is sacred. My imperfections do not diminish my worth. I choose compassion over criticism. I choose grace over shame. I choose love over fear. Every day I grow more confident in who I am. Every day I trust myself more deeply. I deserve healthy love. I deserve abundance. I deserve joy without guilt. I am not behind in life. I am unfolding in divine timing. I am becoming everything I was created to be. I am enough. I have always been enough. I release the need to earn my worth. I am lovable. I am valuable. I am deserving of respect and kindness. My existence is meaningful. My energy is powerful. My life matters. I am enough. I breathe in worthiness. I breathe out self-doubt. I accept myself fully. I trust myself deeply. I love myself gently.